Hey, what's up? Today I'm back with another video. I'm gonna be doing a review on this cheap old Amazon foam cannon kit. Comes with the nozzle, comes with a couple of the bits, the foam cannon obviously, and the handle. We're gonna see how it works, and it's very cheap. And the whole purpose of this video is to go out and buy something that you're gonna use every day in your detailing business, but not break the bank, you know? A lot of people tell you don't go cheap when it comes to foam cannons and all this stuff. Well, I paid $22 for this on Cyber Monday, and I think the real price is like $26. So it's still affordable for what you're getting, the handle and the foam cannon. You can't beat that. And I'm sorry for the outside noise and the wind. I really need to get me a microphone. I will be getting one shortly, so the quality of my videos will definitely go up. But yeah, that's the purpose of the videos, to see if you don't have to spend the whole bank, you know what I'm saying, to go get you a good quality product. We're gonna find out, and of course I'll put the link in the bio and all that. If you haven't checked out my last video where I really cleaned these Cobra rims and deep clean them, all the brake dust off of them, go ahead and go check that out. The video will be right here if I figure out how to put that up. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we got here. All right, I see we got this nice wash mitt. It's nice and blue. That's really good. This alone is worth $3 to $7. It feels like decent quality. Okay, so, and then here's the bottle you get. It's 30 ounces. I believe it's like 32 ounces to the max. And they go ahead and slap their sticker on it. All right, that's cool. That's cool. Here you go. We got the siphon thing. Ah, wow. Here you go. Look at this handle. Oh, okay. Okay. It's got the latch right here. This actually feels like high quality. And then they went ahead and slapped their logo on it. That's pretty cool. Okay. We're gonna test that out. And instructions, of course, on how to use it. And these are interchangeable quick connects or something like that for 15 millimeter. I think these are, it comes with 15 mil. No, 14 mil, but you know, if you have the 15 mil, you can adapt it. I know some pressure washers, they run with 15 mil. And here's the top. So you go ahead and connect that. Oh, hold on, what am I doing wrong? Oh, I don't think it matters what size. You go ahead and nice. That looks good. Nice chrome polish. Everything looks good. The mouth opens up. Oh wow, that doesn't open up that wide. That's okay though. I keep it like thin. This twist. All right, cool. So everything works in here. So we're gonna be using Gold Class. I like this. This is one of the best foaming soaps you could get right here on the market for the price. I love this soap. It works like a charm. And I hope I got 3 ounces left. Yeah, I'm sure that's 3 ounces. And then, but we're gonna be using 3 to 4 ounces. I never really get it right on the dot, but you know, you get in that same ballpark. So I'm gonna go fill this up with water. I'll be right back. Oh, one thing I wanted to point out too real quick is that this is rated for 4,500 PSI, and so is this. So for all the people wanting to use this on gas pressure washers, this will work just fine, unless you got something that's higher than that. But all right, today I'm using the Greenworks 1700 1.2 gallons per minute. I got the handle knocked onto it. It's already on. This is the white one. I think this is the 40 degree angle. It's the only one I use on cars, honestly, because yeah, you don't want to mess up any paint. I'm gonna probably give my wife's car a whole wash right here. But for video purposes, I'm just gonna be testing it out on the front. I got 50 foot of tangled holes right here. Man, I need to get me a reel, but it's all right in the meantime. But there it goes. Wow, look at that. It's coming out good. The handle feels nice, man. The handle feels like, I guess you could say it feels like luxury, to be honest. I'm not even kidding with you. It just fits your hand a lot better than the other one I got. It's got pressure behind it. I mean, of course it does. It's a pressure washer. But yeah. All right. So here we go, guys. Right here, I got roughly about 4 ounces, maybe 4.5 ounces of Gold Class soap in here. And the car is already watered down. We're going to test out this foamness. I'm going to spray it on, then I'm going to bring you guys a little bit closer so you can see what's really going on. All right. So right now I got it at a thin close. And of course, always, I mean, me personally, I always leave the nozzle down at low. Wow. My first reaction is, wow, yes. Look at the soap. I mean, it's not too thick. It's not too thick, right? But this is nice and lubricated. It's coming out nice. It's coming out real nice right here. I'm not gonna lie. It's not too runny. It gets runny. You know, now it looks runny. But as you spray it in the first, like 20 seconds of it being on, it's not too runny. It actually wants to sit on the paint. Yo, I wasn't expecting that, to be honest. All right, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. So let's go ahead and let's try it again. I'm gonna wash it off, then try it one more time. Back again. This is take 2. I was really impressed with take 1. Let's see if the same result. Grab you. Once again, this is not bad. This is not bad at all. Yeah, it is a little bit runny. It is a little bit runny, but when it comes on nice and thick. This gives you enough time to come with your towel or your mitt, come and scrub it down real good. Give it a nice bath. Yeah. So this is real time right here. After about a minute or so, it's gonna look very, very runny. Already it's starting to look runny. But initially, it comes on very thick. It's not bad. Not bad at all. For $20. It's not bad. Well, damn. That was impressive. I'm actually very impressed with this foam cannon. It did eat up. Off just the 2 sprays, it did eat up half of it. It went from 30 ounces down to 19 ounces, you know. So you can get about 2 cars off of that. And it foamed up pretty good with the 1700 PSI pressure washer. Now, if this was a gas pressure washer, you know, a standard, maybe like 2800 PSI, or the one I got is like a 3300 PSI. It's gonna make it foam up a lot more. It always, I don't know, just more pressure makes it foam up a lot more. And so This is rated up to 4500. So for you people that use gas pressure washers for detailing, this will work out really good for you. Probably even better for me. But most mobile detailers, they stick with electric pressure washers with lower power. And for us as well, this is gonna work out just as fine. And for $22, you can get you a backup foam cannon and a backup hand wand, or whatever you call it. You get a backup one of these, and it comes with 15 mil adapters, a wash mitt, which is really good. It's always good to have more than one, and a 5-pack of these, including the white one and the soap one as well. So I'm really impressed. This is the box I got. I'll also be putting a picture of the Amazon thing, but this is the one I got. You know, I was just looking to get me a backup one, and I also didn't want to break the bank. You know what I'm saying? Like, most foam cannons were $30 for one, or, you know, it's just, for me, it's not reasonable to just go ahead and get that. So I don't know if you can understand, but yeah, this is actually good longevity. I have yet to test out longevity, you know, but internals, there's a filter and then there's an orifice. Usually when they stop foaming, it's because those are clogged. So there's a couple YouTubers that put out videos on how to clean them, and those are good videos. And I also will probably eventually order that 1.1 orifice to put in here to try out, and even on my other foam cannon. But thanks for watching the video. You know, if you really liked it, if you found it useful, and if this makes you buy a cheap foam cannon, you know, let me know. Let me know which one you guys bought or will buy. Overall, I'm very impressed, and I like my purchase. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Thanks for checking it out. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really impressed with this foam cannon, this cheap Amazon foam cannon, and it's always good to have a backup. You never want to be left out stranded on the job.